What is up, guys? It is a gorgeous 80 degrees out here in like the middle of April in South Jersey, and right now I'm in my car driving over to Ocean City, New Jersey. This is the first vlog, official vlog on the camera, so I'm very excited. But yeah, we are driving over to Ocean City, New Jersey right now, because we are going to see the first performance of the Man and Dog show. I put on my window. The first performance of the Man and Dog show. I just got a text from Andrew. You guys know him on YouTube. Did the vlogs of the Man and Dog. He shot me a text. Him and I became pretty good friends over the year. And so he texted me, said the monorail is closed as he's painting the monorail tracks right now, but the Man and Dog are plugged in. He said if you want to come on up, shoot me a text when you get here, and you can go see the Man and Dog. So that's exactly what I'm doing right now. The beard's getting a little long. I know I need to trim it. But yeah, we are getting ready to go to Wonderland here in Ocean City, New Jersey, to go see the Man and Dog. So yeah, I will see you guys in a minute. Cool, here we go. Alright guys, just got to Wonderland, just parked in the Wonderland parking lot because literally the only reason why I'm here is to see the Man and Dog. So yeah, that is why I'm here. So I parked in Wonderland's parking lot. So right now it is packed today. Only the inside rides are open at Wonderland. The outside rides did not open yet. I'm sure they'll get to that soon. It's like 85 degrees today. It's hot. But yeah, the Man and Dog is closed today, but I got the permission to go up there and see him by Andrew. So shout out to him. I will link his YouTube channel right down below so you guys can check him out. He does the vlogs, gives you behind the scenes looks, does updates, and really gives you guys a up in person, POV look of what he does to the show off season and to get him ready for the next year and Christmas and stuff like that. So we're gonna head in right now, and first time seeing Wonderland this year. I know they've only been open for maybe 2 or 3 weeks, but yeah, I'm excited. So let's see. Here we go. Let's do it. Alright guys, just walked up to the Man and Dog. Just got done talking to Andrew. It was a quick conversation. He had to get back down to work on the monorail. They're getting that painted, as I said. Like I said, it is closed up here. There's not a single person up here right now. I got the permission from Andrew. He also gave me permission. Oh look, there's Hank and Tony. He also gave me permission to lock up here when I head out. So yeah, it looks good up here. So what Andrew told me is this floor that I'm standing on, they're going to paint it, and they're going to paint it to that color right there. So sooner or later, at some point this summer, the floor right here is going to be the same color as the ramp and the benches, and everything's going to be the same color. So yeah, the band is right behind me. As you can see, they're all plugged in, ready to go. But before I do that, I'm gonna flip the camera around so you guys can see the inside of Wonderland Pier and so you guys can see exactly the new stuff that they're doing. So this is Wonderland Pier right now. Like I said, 85 degrees outside. Here's Wonderland. That is a new rock climbing wall right over there that they're doing. And as you guys can see over there, they have a new mini golf course, which is very cool. So yeah, that is the inside Wonderland. Here is the monorail, looking good. Like I said, the monorail's closed because they're painting it, but Andrew told me that they're gonna try and open up by this weekend. Hopefully the monorail will be open so you guys can come up here, see the band for yourself. And it's very loud in here, I apologize. There's Tony, Hank, Henrietta, Rocky, and Bubba. All right here, the man and dog. Looking good, looking clean. So let's go ahead and put $1 in here. And this is the first show, as they did not open to the public yet, up here for this season. Actually, that's a lie. They were open last Saturday. So this is the second time. You know, they were open last Saturday, so they're only open one day out of the entire season. So I thought I was lucky for a second and was doing something interesting with it being the first time of the season, but it is the second time of the season. So let's go ahead and get these guys on.
In Georgia.
Hey, what you doing, Henrietta?
Well, Rocky, I'll tell you just what I told him. You're gonna get along without you now. Gonna find somebody twice as cute 'cause you didn't love me anyhow. You ran around with every girl in town and you never cared if you got me down. You're everywhere, always on my guard, but you laughed at me 'cause I tried too hard. Gonna get along without you now. Gonna get along without you now. Ha! Take your heart out, big boy. You and that mirror. You broke 3 of them just looking at them. Yeah, you think you're so cute. You've got to tie a pork chop around your neck just to get a Doberman to play with you. Huh? Got along without you before, bitch. You're gonna get along without you now. Gonna find somebody twice as cute 'cause you didn't love me anyhow. I lost my money and I lost my pride. Didn't have much money, but I really tried. It made you happy when you made me cry. And you broke my heart, so I said goodbye. Gonna get along without you now. Hit the road. Gonna get along without you now. Take off. Goodbye. Gonna get along without you now. 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 Gonna get along
Happy birthday!
Go ride the log flume. It's the best.
And say howdy to Wonder Bear if you see him. And don't miss going up on that giant wheel. What a view! Ciao! We'll be a seeing.
All right, here we go. Got the $1. They are plugged in. Here we go.
Well, life on the farm is kinda laid back. Ain't nothing much a country boy like he can't hack. It's early to rise, early in the sack. Thank God I'm a country boy. A certain kind of life, never did me no harm. Raising me a family, working on a farm. My days are filled with an easy country charm. Thank God I'm a country boy. Well, I got me a fine life, I got me old fiddle. When the sun's coming up, I got the kicks on the griddle. Life ain't nothing but a fine, fine riddle. Thank God I'm a country boy. When the work's all done and the sun's sinking low, I get out my fiddle and I'm rising up the bow. Kids are asleep, so I keep it kind of low. Thank God I'm a country boy. I'd play Sally Gooden all day. And if I could, with the Lord and my wife would make it very good. So I feel when I can, I work when I should. Thank God I'm a country boy. Well, I got me a fine wife, I got me a little fiddle. When the sun's coming up, I got cakes on the griddle. Life ain't nothing but a funny, funny riddle. Thank God I'm a country boy. Well, the fiddle was my daddy still the day he died. And he took me by the hand and held me close by his side. He said, live a good life and play the fiddle with pride. And thank God you're a country boy. My daddy taught me young how to hunt and how to whittle. He taught me how to work and play a tune on the fiddle. He taught me how to love and how to give just a little. Thank God I'm a country boy. Well, I got me a fine wife, I got me a old fiddle. When the sun's coming up, I got cakes on the griddle. Life ain't nothing but a funny, funny riddle. Thank God I'm a country boy.
Have a ride on the merry-go-round for me. Yeah, have a real Wonderland kind of day.
All right, first show that I've seen this season, and they look great. Bubba looks good. Everything about him looks good. Rocky looks good. Henrietta looks great. Hank, only mishap I saw with Hank was his mouth was a little wonky. His mouth didn't necessarily move as fluently as usual, but I'm sure that's a quick fix for Andrew and his crew. So yeah, that's a little quick fix. And Hank looks, I'm sorry, that's not, Tony looks really good. So yeah, they all look great. Let's go back and see another show, shall we?
Hey there, everyone. How you doing? Boys and lady, say howdy to the folks.
Howdy to the folks.
I'm Rocky, and I'd sure like for y'all to meet these musical marvels. Bubba Bunga. Henry Howells.
Just call me Hank, folks.
Our Southern Belle, Henrietta Hatpin.
Why, it surely is lovely to see y'all.
Antonio Vermicelli.
Buongiorno, spaghetti, y'all have to excuse Tony, folks. Now, the truth is, he was born in Nebraska.
What do you think she's Italian?
It's in the blood, in the mind, in the heart.
But when he sings just plain American.
What can I say?
Together, folks, we are Rocky and the Railroad Ramblers.
And
here comes Mockingbird Hill.
When the sun in the morning peeps over the hill and kisses the roses round my windowsill, then my heart fills with gladness when I hear the trill of the birds in the treetops on Mockingbird Hill. Tweety-dee-dee, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning
Sure didn't sound like Italian birds.
Hey, when you finish riding all these great rides here, come on back to see us.
So, okay, I lied. So, I didn't notice this before. I was paying more attention to Bubba, and it also looks like he's having issues not opening his mouth. His mouth opens perfectly, but closing his mouth, he has a little bit of issues with. So the only issues I actually saw with anybody on here was Bubba and Hank, and both of them had the same issue, which was a mouth issue. Bubba opens his mouth perfectly fine, and his issue is closing his mouth, and Hank's issue is opening his mouth. So they both have the same issue, just flip-flopped. Hank has issues opening his mouth, Bubba has issues closing his mouth. So again, little fixes that Andrew and his crew can fix at some point. So yeah, here was the Man and Dog 2023. I'm going to flip around the camera right now and sign off. So yeah, here we go. All right, guys, Man and Dog 2023. I might walk around the boardwalk a little bit, maybe grab some food. There's a bird in here. I just saw a bird. There's a bird right up there. You probably can't see it, but there's a bird right up there. But yeah, here was the Man and Dog 2023. Looking good. Yeah, I'll do this for the outro. So I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate you guys tuning in. I will be doing a lot more vlogs in the future. I want to turn this channel into a vlog channel. So at some point, I'll be doing more vlogs. I greatly appreciate you guys tuning in for this video. Like I said, if y'all want to subscribe to Andrew's YouTube channel, link to him will be down in the description down below. You guys get to see behind the scenes footage of this guy that even I can't access. I can't go behind the scenes. I can just watch them like everybody else. This is the closest I've gotten to behind the scenes, is coming up here when they're closed. But yeah, so I appreciate you guys tuning in. Maybe sometime in the summer, when it gets further into the summer, I'll do more footage of these guys and see if anything's changed. I'll see if Hank and Bubba's mouths have been upgraded to work a little better. But like I said, that's the biggest change up here is going to be the floor is going to be this brownish color that you see pretty much plastered like everywhere else. But I do appreciate you guys tuning in. Make sure you like this video, comment on this video if you're going to make your way up to Ocean City this year. Ocean City, New Jersey, South Jersey. Make sure you guys visit this place. These guys have been here since '93. Even before I was born in '97. And I've been coming up here since probably, I don't know, '99, 2000. So I've been seeing these guys through so many changes. I remember, if you guys know 2011, they had that really awkward, gross looking colors up here, and everything was green, and it looked terrible. It didn't fit the vibe. Me and Andrew have talked about that before, of how weird and just bad that looked. But yeah, I've seen these guys go through so many stages, so many changes, so many outfit changes. I distinctly remember before Andrew found the old footage, they had the edited version up here. So, you know, I've seen this band go through so many changes, and it's just cool to see them still here, still thriving, still performing, still entertaining the masses of Ocean City. And there's the monorail, which they're working on. So hopefully that's open. Hopefully they're all open to the public this weekend. Hopefully the band is open to the public this weekend. Like I said, they were last Saturday, but I'm pretty sure that's the only day they've been open, just because they're trying to get everything situated outside. So it seems like this weekend they're going to be open. So assuming it doesn't rain, assuming nothing else, make sure you guys come here, because if it does rain, the monorail is closed, obviously, because That's a track. The track's right there, and it leads all the way around and all the way outside. So if it's raining, that means it's closed. Hopefully it doesn't rain. Hopefully you guys can enjoy it. But until then, my name is Sam. Thanks for tuning into this video. More vlogs coming soon, more Ocean City vlogs, more vlogs of various places. I'll be, again, showcasing these guys again in the coming months. I'll do another video as an update of how they look as the summer progresses. So I do appreciate you guys. I love you guys. And yeah, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much, y'all. See you later.